Hi, my friends. I'm from Bhutan, called Rishingidu, from Mongozongkak and Jurmi Primary and Jurmi Gyo. I'm going to show you about my village. To get my village, so big, yeah, but not like the city. Look how beautiful is that. I love my Bhutan. I don't want to go anywhere. I love in my country. If you love your country, just comment. I'll comment. Just say, I love my country and drop a heart emoji to show proof on you love your country.